To use gesture navigations in Google Pixel 11, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the display and touch options, and then we can find the navigation mode. You can select gesture navigations right here, and then you can click on the gear icon to adjust the settings. First option is digital assistant. You can call out your Google Assistant or Gemini by swiping like this. You can also adjust sensitivity for gestures as well, so you can experiment with the sensitivity if you want. Now to actually use them, if you want to go back, you always need to perform a swipe like this. If you want to go to the home screen, you need to perform something like this. And if you want to open tasks in the background or open apps in the background, you need to swipe up and hold right here for a couple of milliseconds, and then you will see the apps in the background. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.